A Beni Moroccan rug, also called Beni Ourain, is a handmade wool rug from Morocco. It's made by Berber artisans and known for its soft texture and simple geometric patterns, usually black lines on a white or cream background. That's why that's why it fits perfectly in modern homes and also in minimalistic setups. Banner rugs are popular because they mix tradition with modern design. They are warm, soft, and every piece is unique. No two rugs are exactly the same. So, how to choose the right one? First, check the material. A real Beni Moroccan rug is made from 100% natural wool. If it feels too smooth or synthetic, this means that it is probably not authentic. Two, you need to check the size. One of the best mistakes is going too small. A small rug makes your space look cheap. Always go bigger than you think. And third, look for imperfections. Real handmade rugs are never perfectly symmetrical, and small irregular patterns are actually a sign of authenticity. And for the price, a real Beni Moroccan rug can cost anywhere between 200 to $2,000, depending on the size and also the quality. If the price looks too good to be true, it is probably fake or not true. And also, I've added, or I will add, I will share with you my top picks for Beni Moroccan rugs in this video. And don't forget that you can check them yourself by clicking the link below this video. Let's start with the first recommendation of Moroccan Beni rug. This first Beni Moroccan rug is perfect if you want something bold and unique. Unlike traditional styles, this one uses strong colors and abstract patterns. It works really well in modern spaces where you want the rug to stand out and become the main focus. If your room feels boring, this type of Beni rug can completely change the vibe. This pick is the most popular style. You can see the simple black diamond pattern on a soft cream background. This design is perfect for minimalistic, Scandinavian, or clean interiors. If you're not sure what to choose, this is the safest and most timeless option. And this one is a modern variation of the Beni Moroccan rag. It keeps the traditional diamond pattern but adds a subtle color for a more dynamic look. It is a great balance between classic and creative, not too simple, not too bold. Perfect if you want something unique but still easy to catch with your furniture.